My last vacation. Next summer, in July 2017, I am going to spend my vacation in Barcelona, Spain. I am going to take a mix of city exploration, beach reflection, and cultural vacation. I am going to travel with me two close friends from Bogota. We are going to share all the experience and enjoy every moment together. We are going to vacation in July because the weather is going to be warm and sunny, perfect outside activities. We are going to stay in a modern Bucais hotel in the city center near La Rambla. El hotel is going to have comfortable rooms and great location. We are going to get in Barcelona by plane from Bogota. The flight is going to take about 10 hours, but it's going to be very direct and comfortable. In Barcelona, we are going to visit several incredible places. We are going to see un famoso Sagrada Familia, explore Parkway, with a colorful mosaic, walk along level Rambla Street, and relax Barceloneta Beach. We are going to visit Gotica Quarter and may take a cave car to Montjuic. Next, we went to famous Parkway. The colors days and the panoramic view were amazing. Wherever we did not work at the way to haste, point because the weather was hit hot. For food, I am going to eat typical Catalan and Spain dishes. We are going to try paella, white seafood tapas way, patatas bravas, and jamón ibérico. I'm fresh from the market. The food is going to be amazing, but I'm going to eat home meals every day, same room for dessert like crema catalana. As for drinks, I am going to drink refreshing sangria, fresh horchata, and cold cava. We are going to enjoy sangria on church with weavers. I am going to go drink too much alcohol because we are going to walk alone under the sun. And in that case, I am going to pack summer clothes like shorts, the shears, leggings, some sweets, comfortable walking shoes, and a hat. I am also going to bring sunscreen, sunglasses, my phone charger, and a small backpack for dry tips. I'm not going to pack winter clothes because Barcelona is going to be hot. During vacation, we are going to make exciting activities. We are going to should try the city with a beach, beach museum, like at Picasso Museum, three local markets like Boqueria, go seasons at night, when the city lights up, and maybe the tapa stores are become right around the city. In total, I'm going to be vacation for 10 days. And they're going to be comfortable threefold of culture zone and they're going to tease with my friends. And I'm going to be back with amazing food and stories.